going to start today with looking at why it's so important to consider continuing your professional development. So let's have a think about why we do it. You're all here because you want to learn something new for your classroom, and we call that teacher professional development, which is often known as TPD. So why is it useful, and what can it allow you to do? Well, it expands your knowledge. You are probably all experts in your field, but it also brings in new knowledge and really enhances that expertise. So it develops your skills. It keeps you up to date with teaching ideas and current pedagogy. I know that I've been in the classroom for 15 years, and actually I can become a bit rusty, and I need to make sure that I have new ideas to put into my classroom. It can boost your confidence as well. Perhaps you're teaching a new subject, you're not entirely sure how to approach that. So it boosts your confidence and your credibility. It can advance your career. You can put it onto your CV if you keep a record of it, or your resume, whatever you keep a record of your career in your past. And it can help you to progress. It can help you in interviews as well. Connect you with other ideas, so you can share ideas. That's why so many of you are here today, I'm sure, is that you actually want to be connected. I mean, we've got people here from Nigeria, Zambia, Angola, India. So we're all connecting this huge community as well. And it ensures that you keep learning, which is really important, because that's what we want to achieve, and we want our learners to achieve. Now, professional development can often occur from school, and it can be leadership or head teachers saying to us, look, you need to do this course. But sometimes actually we can take ownership of our professional development,